And we're back to learn Gimp in a year, day 24. Let me show you how you can create photo filter presets. So let's just assume we have more than one image. I'm gonna open images that we've used in our playlist. I have them as two different tabs. So the original flower image and this original crowd image. Now let's say we want to edit them the same way. I've shown you in the last couple of videos that we can use the colorize option right here to colorize our images. Let me use kind of like a green filter, and I can now memorize these values and then reapply the colorize. But you can see when you have like 50 images or something, it's a little bit tedious. So instead, just click on the plus sign right here, and these values will then be saved as presets. Let me just call that green example. So if I play around with these values now, as clicked here, the last use is obviously saved as well, but only temporarily. If you want to keep it as a preset, make sure to use the plus sign, and then you can select it from the drop down like this. I switch to the next image, or let me copy that. I've told you in the last couple of videos that this is a good idea. Always copy your images to keep the original as backup. And here, instead of adjusting the colorize filter, I can just use the drop down, select the green example, and we've got the same style applied. Let us go back to the colorize option, and right next to the plus sign is another icon. And here you can actually manage all of these presets. So I've got a couple from earlier tutorials. I don't need them anymore. So let me select them and then click here to delete them. You can also import and export these presets. So once again, usually you click on a plus sign, name your preset, and then it will appear with the current values right here in the dropdown. And this is how you can create photo filter presets in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.